Damn, man, you have the right to remain silent. I don't have the keys to this door, eh? Yeah, he came to the junkyard, man, he got arrested. He got arrested in the Crown Vic. No, pues, man, y porte bien. What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're getting ready to go to Kennewick for the car show. There's a car show out there. We're gonna go up there. We're gonna meet up with some buddies and have a blast. Get to see some cars. We're over here getting everything ready. You can see the white truck back there. I really wanted to take my Corvette, but I couldn't find nobody to take it. And there's only me and my wife going, so I'm gonna take the LS. She's gonna take the 98. Getting them all cleaned up. Like I said, I wish I could have taken the Corvette, but I asked a couple of my buddies, nobody wanted to take it. Everybody was already taking their vehicles, so we're gonna hit the road here. We're gonna go out to Kennewick. It's about a 3-hour drive, so stay tuned. It's gonna be good car show. Jesus, beautiful day for a car show. Yep, beautiful day. We're at the gas station pumping gas, getting these things filled up, ready for the trip. You know, damn, Manny, whose car is that?
Live?
Whose car is that, Manny? Manny's hungry, man. At the gas station, waiting for some more peeps to roll up.
I don't know if we're allowed to have a cat.
Cleaning the truck.
Yeah, we can. I think so. I'm living in a dream now. Oh, smoking blue, dream in my dream house. Oh, and I'm driving dream cars. GPS me to the stars, far away from fame halls. Don't wake me up, I'm living the dream, living the dream. I'm living the dream. Don't wake me up, don't wake me up, don't wake me up, don't wake me up. I'm living in slow motion, I ain't aging 10 yet. I'm drunk off the success I steer. How you think I drove here? Black marks on the road are known for any reason besides the fact I walked them before the tattoos and license. Footprints on the road will be blueprints for the next gen. For every artist struggling, trying to push yourself through new ears. So take it easy, easy, live it, love it, don't give up. The battle scars look cool when you make it to the top. I'm living in a dream now. Oh, smoking blue, dream in my dream house. Oh, and I'm driving dream cars. GPS me to the stars, far away from fame halls. Don't wake me up, I'm living the dream, living the dream. I'm living the dream. Don't wake me up, don't wake me up, don't wake me up, don't wake me up. I feel like Elvis when I walk around in the praise.
What's his Eric?
When I'm angry and destroyed, but if it feel like the line I'm supposed to walk, I walk aside just to aggravate some people that wish me bad from time to time. I'm in a dream now, driving low in cloud, kicking up the angel dust 'cause heaven don't have dust bound. If my dreams are real,
Ready?
wake up and
Ready?
under the sun, just like me, it won't burn out. Rocket ship, take me to the unknown, somewhere I don't exist no more. Where check marks don't verify my life or my style. I wanna hang with people who can understand my silence.
Echando las pinches tortillas. Nos fuimos.
I'm living in a dream now. Oh, smoking blue, dream in my dream house. Oh, and I'm driving dream cars. GPS me to the stars, far away from fame halls. Don't wake me up, I'm living the dream, living the dream. I'm
Man, check this one out. Check this one out, guys. That's sick. Got some kickers in there. Man, I'm sure that thing bumps. Got the croc leather. Sick, sick, sick. Damn, what's up, guys? What do you guys think? C8? Or should I stick with my C6? Damn, guys, check this truck out. This thing's sick. I saw this one earlier at the car wash. This thing's rad. I like that hood, man. I like the interior too. He kept it simple. Yeah, it's a bad truck. Yep. Another OBX. Julie. That's sick. A lot of nice trucks out here, and then we got these two pieces of junk. We got these two bucket of bolts. Yeah, we got the LS nice and cleaned up here. We got the silver trophy. Nice. All right, boys. The moment of truth. The reason we're all here for. How many trophies you gonna get, Brian?
2.
2? Damn.
The movement continues. Give it up for Manny. Where are you at, Manny? Get out.
Manny.
Right there.
Ow!
He's gonna look at me like, what's up? There you go. Picture time.
Nice. Real happy for Manny, man. He deserves it.
When you know, right, mija?
A ver, Manny.
We're flexing over there.
Damn. Hey, we gonna get some more tomorrow.
Santana, he's representing. Where's Santana? He might even brought a bike or something today, but he has a little bit of everything.
Nah, he said nah.
Wet boy club over here.
He was like, nah. I was like, no, yeah, I'm good.
Like I said, new club member. Ross is the leader of that group. Wet boys over there. I don't know if that's good or bad, but whatever.
That's right,
So
James.
this is
Damn, 2 are going home today.
good looking car, I like it. Contradictions
Mike.
nowadays. When I
Another
was
one coming
new,
to an
it was
action.
just a big old spoiler on the back. 7 years, we can take it to us. No, it is not a boxing match, but we have our own Canelo in the house. Give it up for Canelo! Open! Sorry. Le damos 3 caídas sin un límite de tiempo. Ah, no, esta es la peluca.
Alright, guys. The car show's over. We got a couple of my friends with some trophies, so I'm really happy for them. I know they've been putting in that work with their vehicles, so cool day. You know, I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I'm tired. It's been a long day. I was trying to keep it in, man, but I'll tell you, I'm ready to go home. We still got a little bit of a drive. We still got maybe like a two-hour drive, but we're out here with the whole crew, so hopefully we all get home safely. And yeah, good day, good food, good friends. Nice. We won't have to do this again. Now again, I'm gonna tell you, tomorrow I gotta go with Manny. He's the one who won with this yellow Civic. We gotta go to Seattle to another car meet over there. I'm gonna tow his car, and that's gonna be another 3-hour drive there and a 3-hour drive back. So we need to get home, go to sleep, rest our feet. And yeah, tomorrow's another day. So I don't know, I might do that a whole nother separate video, because that's a whole nother car show. I think it's kind of like an import car show stuff. So we're gonna be doing a lot more of this. There's a couple more shows coming up, race shows. We're gonna hit the track. We might take the Corvette out and see if we can't get a better time with the Corvette. So hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment. But yeah, stay tuned.